turned on your faucet only to find no water coming out? Or perhaps you have noticed frost on your pipes or strange sounds when you try to use the water. You could be dealing with frozen pipes. We're the experts to call when the cold weather takes a toll on your plumbing. Contact us, and we'll get to your home as fast as possible to address the issue efficiently and prevent further damage. Frozen pipes occur when water inside the pipes freezes and expands, putting pressure on the pipe walls. This can lead to cracking or even bursting if not resolved promptly. Depending on where the freeze is, we may need to access the pipe by removing sections of the drywall. We do the best we can to make precise cuts to simplify future drywall repairs. Please note that drywall repair is not included in our services. With many years of hands-on experience, we're equipped to handle any frozen pipe issues inside or outside your home, including unfreezing, repairs, and replacements. The thawing process will gradually unfreeze your water line to preserve the integrity of your pipes. Water flow will return little by little and possibly be fully restored within a couple of hours. The time required to thaw and restore water flow may vary depending on the complexity of the job. Don't let frozen pipes lead to costly water damage. Contact us today for fast and reliable frozen pipe solutions.